Do you know it's not that difficult to find a high paying job? Well, if you are interested in that, just stick with me to the end and I'm going to be sharing one with you.
Welcome to the Wealth Legacy Movement, the space where we help you build your wealth legacy through entrepreneurship, side hustles, high paying jobs, and real estate ownership.
In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you work from home jobs that are high paying that you can start doing or at least apply to that will allow you to work from home whilst getting a good salary. So, welcome again. I'm Sophia, mindset and business coach and real estate agent for the state of Georgia. Let's now dive right into this. So once you go on the United Health Group website, you're gonna put in the search bar remote work, and there are so many things that will pop up. Once it pops up, you're gonna look for the ones that you want. So the one that I selected is telephonic patient engagement specialist, and it says remote. And so before I look on this, let's just go into exactly what it says. These are just things about the company. Let's just go down and look at primary responsibilities. The primary responsibility for this role is utilize tried and true telephonic methods to patient outreach and engagement strategies to schedule visits to enrollment into the landmark health program. Utilize excellent telephonic sales skills to effectively communicate landmark services and be able to overcome members' objections. Uses critical thinking skills to create telephonic outreach strategies that are designed to maximize patient awareness and registration into landmark programs. Leverage reporting and dashboards to prioritize telephonic outreach to members. In accordance with local outreach teams, support telephonic outreach to non-engaged and engaged patients. Successfully meet and or exceed engagement monthly targets. You will be rewarded and recognized for your performance in an environment that will challenge you and give you the clear direction on what it takes to succeed in your role, as well as provide development for other roles you may be interested in. All right? Required qualifications. To perform this job successfully, an individual must be able to perform each essential duty satisfactorily. The requirements listed below are representative of the knowledge, skill, and or ability required. Reasonable accommodation may be made to enable individuals with disabilities to perform the essential functions. You must be proficient in the use of Microsoft Office, Excel, PowerPoint. Prefer qualifications, bachelor's degrees, 2-year plus, or related experience in sales, direct marketing, or customer service capacity, experience in healthcare. So, like I've always said, if you don't have these qualifications, still apply. Let's just move down and look at the salary. As you can see here, the salary is $22.45 to $43.89 per hour. Sometimes it depends on where you live. You might get a little higher salary as opposed to people living in other states, right? California, Colorado, and those states, they usually get a little bit more money than other states, all right? So this is so important that you check your sales. And it's to be noted that, as is obvious, you have to be living in the United States of America to be eligible to apply for this position. All right, so this is a very, very good position. It's a good role, and the salary is very good. So don't allow these qualifications to stop you from applying. Once you have some kind of qualifications or some kind of experience, make sure that you apply. Let them tell you, listen, you're not successful, but don't stop yourself before you even get started. All right, and the way you get started is to apply. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me today. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to our channel to help us to reach more people. You know, that's how the algorithm works here on YouTube. You have to engage with us, like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for YouTube to push our videos out to more people. Also, remember that we'll be doing our live business startup challenge, and it starts on the 22nd. That's next week, Monday. So make sure that you check the description for the sign up link. We're going to be teaching you from the foundation how to start your own online business. So challenge yourself to do that. And the first thing to do is to click the link in the description to sign up for the challenge. All right. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you soon.